Hello everyone, let me introduce QIUI BeatPad to you today. First open the box and take out the product. There is an instruction manual, a charging cable, and a shock pad in package carton. Here you need to scan the QR code on the instructions first. Download the QIUI app, then press the switch on/off key on the racket. Let go when the blue light is on. Now the green light is flashing, indicates that the device is ready to be connected. Then we open the QIUI app on your cell phone. Click the plus sign in the top right corner. Go down a little bit and find the mark for the BeatPad. Click Next. Click Bind Now. The owner on the left and the wearer on the right. Here we choose the role of the wearer. And there you have it. Here you can adjust the voltage. Click the primary key. You can deliver the shock. When force is applied to the measuring point, it also produces an electric shock. You can add friends on the Personal Center page. Click the plus sign in the top right corner. Search for friend name to add. Click here to add the host. Invite friends and become hosts. After your play, long press the switch on/off until the blue light is on and then release. Then it is turned off.